Maybe I want and then so I have a best friend.
What do you know me for?
I know you for artistic work.
Okay. Do you know what my parents wanted me to be?
Unless you tell me.
Good. You see, the point is, education system, no, the limitations may be a woman. Sometimes it starts from our parents, right? One case, me, for instance, me being an artist, you say, you know, my art in this situation, but yet our parents want us to be someone else. Over KNUST, right? Your man for be on my program said they are more. They are either passing through the school or the school is just passing through them.
That's the case. The case I able a lot of young people come.
So what I say,
you understand?
You only say, oh, go to school, get the certificate and come and work. But then here is the case: when you step out, you need a skill before you can work. Who got a certificate, right? Now who do job market now pay juma. You have a certificate in area near for juma, near the certificate in the their canon is you.
The creative skill
To exhibit it. I get in it. And so I make sure I say creative skill they are only cake no. But education I see no. Education no and me right now, right? Let me up what I did here show you. Let me at once I'm a na boy for education. So how do you see it? Education. And no never me tomatoes right? Education no.
Tomatoes.
Formal education.
Bro, man can't show. Say who skill. So creative skill. You are well developed. Like you are well trained for your skill. I swear to God, say there is no way.
Where is the training coming from? The training is coming from education.